no flame in there. What? What's your problem? No, stay out of there. Stay out of there. You've got enough iron in your diet. Come on now.
Hidden fasteners never needs painting and is easily installed by one person. Great for walls and ceilings in garages, laundry rooms, walk-in coolers.
Well guys, the last couple days I've been out here in the shop just cleaning up some of this maple that I had stripped out of that house before it got torn down. Let me tell you, it's a lot of work. It's not hard work, it's just time consuming. You know, there's nails about every 16 to 24 inches in it. So, but this is a stack that has both ends on it for tongue and groove. And that's the stack that either has one groove or tongue. And that's still the stack I gotta de-nail and clean up the edges. Once I got all the nails out of it, then I'll go ahead and take the finish off on the planer. Just run it through a light pass on the planer. It'll be ready for installation as a loft in the cabin. Anyhow guys, we got Grizzly out here in the garage. And just playing with him a little bit. He's super hyper today. Not that it's any different than any other day. Just trying to get him to play fetch and bring it back, but you slowly learn. Bring it here. Bring it here. See? Set it down, bud. Here. No. Why don't you learn to shut the door, huh? You know how to open it. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the grouse have been drumming non-stop for the last week and a half here. Always a beautiful sound to hear. And I finally seen a couple robins, so I think spring is finally on its way. Supposed to get a bunch more rain here. This last few weeks, it seems like it hasn't been snowing, it's been raining. But temperatures are holding out pretty good now, so I don't think we're going to see any more snow, but one never knows. It was only 25 degrees this morning. And this is what, 22nd of April. I've yet to start my greenhouse project. Figured I'd get a few things done on the inside here. And as you've seen from previous clips, I've finished sanding and taping, and then primed everything that can be primed on the drywall end of it so far. As you can tell, there's a couple areas here that's what's circled. I gotta touch up a little bit, but I figured I'd wait a little until I start getting some trim in here. But I won't be able to do that for a bit because I've got to get some more ash. But anyhow, I'm going to continue on putting these lights together. These are all going to go out in the porch. These are only 60 watt LED lights, so that's part of the reason why there's so many of them out in the porch. I wanted plenty of light out there for barbecuing or whatnot on there. I love Chinese lights. All assembly required. So these are the lights that we're going to hang in the porch. You notice they're all black, except for the set screws that you attach to the bracket that holds it up to the ceiling. So that's always kind of nice. So now I guess I'll have to get some black touch-up paint and hit them. Just the simple things. Alright guys, I probably wouldn't have to pigtail these, but seeing how I'm running 4 lights on a wire, I think I'm gonna, just in case one dies. So guys, after installing 2 of these lights, I noticed that I still had a little bit of the hole showing through. So what I did was go ahead and ordered some what they call goof plates or base plates that just set underneath the light. And that should actually make the light stand out a little bit better and also cover up any enlarged hole. As these bases were only 4 1/4 and the box is actually 4 inches, so not much room to play with there. But anyhow, I hope everybody enjoyed this little bit of a video, and we will see you on the next one.